So hi everyone, today I have come with another video for you all. So this is location and let's start the process. ఒక వీడియో తో వచ్చేసాను నేను ఈ pot. You have to take a pot which is like medium size, or else you can take another size. Even like this size you can take. Before I have posted this video, you have seen, I think. So there is still improvement. I think some tomato seeds are also growing. When I showed only marigold came, now tomatoes are coming, and even tomato seeds have come very little. Okay, I think in my next video I can show you big plants. There is improvement after these days. When I have taken, it was only very slow, but now it increased. Then coming to again soil, I have the same soil, same type of soil. See, I have tested this. For this it is very fertile, so the plants are even growing. So definitely this soil works. Select this kind of soil. I said no, I have bought it from a construction site. Soil is dug on any construction site, or any mining is being done, like that, bore wells, like that. If anything is going on, you can go and get from them. They will give you. Welcome back to my channel. Today one more plant I'm going to do with 2 seeds. So this is like mirchi, you know, mirapkayalu, endu mirapkayalu, and this is coriander seeds. We say in Telugu dhaniyalu. Cut all the stones and gravels, pebbles which are present in it. So I am removing them, and definitely go through my channel and check out before videos where I have posted results of this plant, and I have even shown how to grow a plant very easily. And again, just don't use new methods unknowingly, because they will definitely fail. Because before, when I have seen some YouTube videos, I have tried them, but they all failed. So I have come to my own way where I'm trying them. So just pick the soil and put into that. You can use any handle, or directly with hand also you can do it, just like me. Time of climate, you can take start growing your trees or plants. Okay, before only mention that I don't know for which soil you are selecting, from which country. So I'm selecting from India, tropical soil, subtropical type of soil. So take care of the soil type, okay? Because it may vary from one area to area, even temperature. So sometimes it may be failed. I said be careful. Yes, don't just blindly follow anything. You have to see at which kind of environment I have started this video. And season at present, when I'm taking this video and planting this, it is around June. You can start in any year, it's June. Okay, and so I'll pour everything and I will just show you how. Okay, so hi everyone, it's particularly done. It's done everything. I have kept soil and I have removed like this gravels and everything. I've shown you how I'm removing with hands. You have to do it with hands, because then only the plant can grow. Because you can do with hand very nicely, and the soil should be like this, porous, where water can be locked into, and some air gaps should be also there. And don't press it too much. Okay, leave some gaps, because if you press with your hands, it would be hurting for you. But just to get into soil, you can just have some water. Okay, just take some water and sprinkle over. So like this, you have to pour some water. Okay, just it can get inside and the soil get pressed easily. Yes, so see how it became soil with water. Okay, so soft, isn't it? So just get some mixed and press it now, because why? Now it will go inside soil, when actually if you keep directly seeds, the soil becomes very less and the plant cannot grow easily. Okay, so now I'm taking soil and putting over this some more, because see, when I poured water, it went inside now. So that's why, to cover that space, I'm using now soil. If before only, if without pouring water you will keep seeds, means you'll pour some water and this soil will go inside, then definitely no use of doing, because starting you will get all seedlings, but later you won't get. But for that plant, why I kept less soil means, actually I'm going to transfer them into other soil. Just I'm waiting for small plant. Okay, so more soil I'm taking and I'm putting them inside. So that's all. It's perfectly done. And yes, my seeds are here only. They are flying. I kept now only this. And one more thing, caution number 2 is you should definitely pour this water. That's what I'm saying. And before you sow seeds, it's very important that you make the soil wet. If it is already wet, then very much good. But if it is a little bit dry like my soil, then you have to definitely pour. So this is like this. Remove, okay, in my soil so many rocks, small rocks are there. Not big but small. But why? I don't want to give any inconvenience to my plant, so I'm just separating them. Yes, so almost done keeping my soil. Actually in my kitchen I have found these, like they're left out, so I have bought them to plant. And even I'm going to show you one more. That's actually not seed but something different, that is like we say fertilizers, manure. So this is natural, when my mom is cutting these onions, I have took these peels and I have put them in water. Actually we keep them, no, so I put them. This water if you pour, it will be more good, and even if you keep directly also, it is very good. See, like this. Here my mother kept bitter gourd, and see how strong these stems, this tree stems plant is so strong, like that. Surprise my viewers, so I have added a small container. Actually this is a like disposable box like this. Wait, so I have said I will show you this. This is depth of this. I am growing today differently, means I'm growing mirchi seeds differently in another pot where I have shown in the starting, and here I am growing chilies, not chilies, coriander. Yes, coriander, dhaniyalu I say, no, that. So yes, get this in shops, even not only like you can use any container. And why I'm using this is the reason, when I put into this, it fits into this exactly. So I can use many plants to keep in this, like one like that. I can keep easily without any extra arrangements for placing that. These seeds I have bought from kitchen. No need to buy separately seeds. You can use directly red chilies also. I have just opened that red chili and I took out seeds to grow. Okay. So I'm just keeping seeds. You see, you have to take them into hands. You have to take them into hands, and yes. So you have to sprinkle. So you have to sprinkle seeds in this way. All you have to not throw at a time. You have to give some gap. Meanwhile gap. See, I have shown in camera. So like this. And coming to this water, I said it will increase fertility of the soil. Now, before showing that pouring water, I thought just to wear these seeds also. So yes, I'm showing them like this and sprinkle them. Okay. So I have kept these seeds. So now I'm going to pour water. As I said, I'm pouring these water because it is very nutritious for the plants. So remove these because it may create obstruction for the plant, okay, because these are in seed condition. So pour adequate amount of water, not too much or very less, and it's better to pour with hand because this is very small container and even this is starting stage. So like this you have to pour water. And coming to the next plant, this is the next plant. So in this also I'm going to pour water like this. Just sprinkle that seeds should get, okay. And top of this you can even pour some soil, okay, lightly, not so much. But I am not, because it got unsucceeded if we do like that. But in some YouTube videos I have seen that, and it's done. Subscribe my channel and like, share and click the like button, and refer to my channel for other videos like part 1 and part 2 of this planting trees.